Hello and welcome to this Little Fox French key skill video on how to form subject pronouns. This is a very simple way to do it. Generally, subject pronouns are quite simple and there are only a few little things that you have to remember. In French, unless a subject pronoun is at the beginning of a sentence, it is not capitalized, unlike in English where you can say, at the park, I walked my dog, and the I would be capitalized. In French, we would say, au parc, j'ai marché mon chien. So, I walked, j'ai marché mon chien. I walked my dog. And so the je in j'ai, this bit would not be capitalized. It would be like this. Now here we have the subject pronouns in English. The singular are I, you, he, she, it. We, you, they. They masculine and they feminine. So in French, the subject pronouns are je, tu, il, elle, on, and this can mean it or one. So it can be used for singular or plural, but generally it's interchangeable. Nous for the plural we, vous for plural you, or it can be used for singular if you're talking to someone older than you or more respected, like your CEO in your company or your teacher at school. They and they. So you can see here that il and il are very similar. There's just an S on the end. And same with elle and elle. Plural just has an S added. And so when we use these in a sentence, unless it's at the beginning of the sentence, it would not be capitalized. They would just be in lowercase, so je, tu, not je or tu. And these each have different endings when you are conjugating verbs. So for example, the ER verbs go I, es, I for je, tu, il, elle, on. So il, elle and on have the same endings, so that's an I in ER verbs. And don't forget we have a video on how to form the present tense for ER verbs. Don't forget to check that out. There'll be a link somewhere in the video or down below in the description. ONS, EZ, ENT. And for IR verbs, again we have a video, so don't forget to check that out. I'll put it in the description or it will be in the video somewhere. The endings are is, it, and I'm pronouncing the is so that you can hear it, otherwise it just sounds like I. And for nous, vous, il, elle, it is nous, issons, vous, issez, il or elle, is. And in French, you don't pronounce the ENT at the end of il or elle verbs. Finally, for RE verbs, we have S, nothing. So When we take off the RE from our stem, we just leave it as the stem. For nous, we have ENS. For vous, we have EZ. And for il or elle, we have ENT. So they're exactly the same for plural as for